In this quick video, I will show you how to send EVMOS to Trust Wallet step by step. If you don't have a EVMOS network in your Trust Wallet, there are two options. Now, the first option is to add the network manually. You can go to settings here, click network, and you can see here below, click add custom network. Now, you're gonna need to fill all this information, but if you want a reliable source, and you can google all this information that is needed here. But if you want a reliable source, you can go to docs.evmos.org, and on the left side you can see here the digital wallets. Under the digital wallets, you can click MetaMask and scroll down. You will see here the word mainnet. Now, all this information, you're gonna need to copy this and paste it on Trust Wallet. Now, let's copy and paste all this information. Now, after you copy and paste all the information, click Add Custom Network here, and then you have EVMOS network in your Trust Wallet. Now, the second option to add EVMOS network, you're gonna need to go to chainlist.org. But before we do that, we're going to delete EVMOS network in our Trust Wallet first, so I can show you how to add EVMOS network using chainlist. Now, we're gonna need to delete this first. Let's go back to chainlist. On the search bar here, type down EVMOS and click add to Trust Wallet. Now, notice that all the information here is similar to the information that we got on the EVMOS website. Now, just click approve here, and then go back to your Trust Wallet, and now you can see here the EVMOS network in your Trust Wallet. Now, after you added the EVMOS network in your Trust Wallet, go to your wallet where you stored your EVMOS token. But for example, we're going to use Keplr wallet. Go to Keplr wallet here, and if you are using Keplr wallet, go click here and scroll down. You can see here the word EVMOS. Just click here, and then click send here. On the recipient, just click EVMOS here on your Trust Wallet. Click receive and click here copy address. Then go back to your Keplr wallet, click send, and then paste the address. Now you can type down the amount of EVMOS you want. For example, I'm going to send 1 EVMOS, and you can choose low, average, or high gas fee, but we're going to choose low gas fee. Then click send, click approve, wait for the transaction to be completed, and then notice that the transaction was successful. Now, we have 1 EVMOS in our Trust Wallet. You can see it here. And also you can see here the value of your EVMOS in USD. And if you have any questions about how to send EVMOS to Trust Wallet, leave a comment below.